How to check if your iPhone is original or fake. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to know if your iPhone is genuine or not, here is how you can find it. First and foremost, you can check for the software and user interface. Turn on the iPhone, look for the official Apple logo on the boot screen. For the next step to confirm, head over to your device settings. Once you are on your device settings, go to the general page. After you are on your general page, you have to go and type on the About section. From there, copy the serial number. Long press on the serial number and a copy option will appear. Just tap on it and your serial number is copied. Now head back to any of your preferred browser and search or type in checkcoverage.apple.com. Here you will see a box. You just have to enter the serial number. Next, you have to solve the CAPTCHA, and once you do so, you will see if it is the actual serial number or your device's iPhone or not. Additionally, you can try and test the Apple features such as Face ID, Touch ID, Siri, AirDrop, and iCloud Sign In to confirm the iOS features. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.